Good evening, all. This is Chola Crypto. So, today, um, I'm more interested to talk about one of uh, well recognized project, and I think this is a gem as far as I'm concerned. I will go through why it's a gem. This project is called the NEAR Protocol. The NEAR Protocol is currently trading at $1.92, and the previous bull run it did a top of $20, and it's currently $1.92, which is damn cheap at this point of time, given the fact that the overall market is washed out. It's currently sitting in the bottom from wherever it is. It's clearly in the bottom. So whenever it is cheap, that's where you have to go and buy, right? So let's come to the price aspect later. But let me tell you why Near is an interesting project. It's a layer one blockchain, and it's designed as a community-run cloud computing platform, and it eliminates some of the limitations with bogging, competing blockchains. Follow it. The interesting part is what's so unique about Near protocol. Yes, it's a layer one blockchain. What it does, it's see the reason I like is they use a technology called Nightshade technology to improve transaction through throughput massively. So Nightshade is a variation of sharding in which individuals sets of validators process transaction in parallel across multiple shard chains, right? Improving the overall capacity of the blockchain. So what it's saying, variation of sharding in which individual sets of validator process transactions in parallel across multiple sharded chains. So it can do multiple transactions across many chains. The validators can process. It's interesting. In contrast to the regular sharding, shards is Nightshade produce a fraction of the next block, and it's called chunks. In doing so, Near Protocol is able to achieve 100,000 transactions per second. That's a huge number. And achieve near instant transaction finality. Overall, it looks great. And in 2021, there was 800 million funding that was announced for the ecosystem. Near Protocol is a good project with a great technology. So it has a bridge called Rainbow, which is near Ethereum. Bridge has successfully thwarted two attacks, with the second hack attempt resulting in hacker losing 2.5 ETH. So the bridge was attacked, but successfully recovered by the Near Protocol team. Again, in September 2022, Near Protocol also announced it had successfully mitigated two vulnerabilities on Aurora. I think Aurora is the Ethereum EVM bridge. It's Ethereum. Oh, yeah, it's right. Ethereum sidechain through its bug bounty program. So these guys are very good in the security aspect of things, and they have very good mitigation plan, which I believe is really required for great projects. What is the ecosystem expansion? Let's not get into that in detail, but the Android APK of the wallet is already connected to over 20 leading projects in your ecosystem and has over 300K downloads of its web extension. So it's a growing project. I believe this is going to be huge, and it's currently at market rank 30, and it has overall supply of say about a billion, and it's 826 million, which is in circulation at this point of time. And the fully diluted market cap is 1.9 billion. The current market cap is of 1.5 billion, which did a market cap in the previous run of say about 11 to 12 billion dollars. So there is a huge potential for this project to grow. Let me get into the website and see what they have special. So let's not get into how we build and all, but I did notice an interesting thing in their website about their projects and DAO. They have 750 active projects with 125 decentralized autonomous organizations, which is a very good news. And They have a vibrant, welcoming community of 550k members and 4k developers. That's quite huge. The near events that are coming, 8 weeks clear to the limits on here, blah blah blah. That's all fine. Governance is all fine. Let's see what all types of projects that they have. So overall, they have the EVM bridge. These are the projects which are integrated in Aurora, MetaMask, the Graph. These are all integrated. What are all the infrastructure projects that they deal with? So there are wallets, validators, explorers, bridges, and storage. DApps, they have DeFi DApps, Refinance. Oh, there is a huge list. Huge list. I think this is one of the hidden gems, this project. Dexes, they have a very good list of Dexes. Have a look at it whenever you have time. Launchpads, they do have launchpads. And social and music, NFT utilities, ecosystem, they have DAOs, so funding and all these things you can have a look at it. So this is a quite a big project, and it's a gem sitting right now. So let me check one more thing. So we have 750 projects. Those things are all fine. Let me get into this. All right. So they have DeFi, they have NFT gaming. I think they have done a lot of development. This is a, I think it's a silent project which is developing a lot, and they have very good presence in gaming. You can explore in DeFi. You can explore the Aurora ecosystem. Let's see that. So that Aurora ecosystem is really looking good. Octopus ecosystem. It's a near-based multi-chain interoperable Octopus network and app chain. Wow, they have a lot of projects. They have a lot of projects. I think. Let me just quickly jump into where they stand as a chain and what is the TVL as a chain. Where is Nia? Yeah, it's 21 right now with 13 protocols with 5 million, which is very less compared to other chains in the top 10. But anyways, they are growing up. They will grow. The market is growing, so definitely they will grow up. I think the largest TVL in near protocol near ecosystem is Ref Finance, which is 72.74 million. There is a lot of scope to improve. I think from there on, I don't see any big names. So these are the top 11 projects that we see under near. So given that they are in 21 right now, there is always an opportunity. There is always where it can grow faster than expected. I feel this is a good project, and accumulating this at this price is a good deal overall. So here, let's get into the price action of what we can expect. It's already bottomed to 1.8, 1.84, whatever it was previously. It was even less. Couple of what in 2020 it was 50, 60 cents, 80 cents. So that can be the next bottom if it goes down. But I don't see this going down anymore. I think the washout has completely happened right now. So as a trader, if I get into near protocol right now at 190, if it goes down from here on, I would do a dollar cost average. All right, let me take a conservative approach to this. Let's see. So if there is always two scenarios. Either it can go positive or negative. But given the fact that it's I think it's Bitcoin is already washed out. 15,600 should be the the bottom. If that's the case, if the market moves up with near protocol, we need to see the first target of say about $3. It's one of the good blockchains, layer one blockchains. So it's $3. So from there on, it's 3.56 and 4.99, 5.66. So if the market moves, our first target that we need to see is $3.2, and after the 3.6, 4.89, and $5.66. If it's negative, the market goes down. I expect this to go down to say about, I won't say it will go to 60 cents, but I think it might go to 98 cents to $1. That's what I am expecting. But fingers crossed. I hope it will not go below that. If it goes to 12,000, if Bitcoin goes to 12,000, this is going to 98 cents. If Bitcoin is going to 22,000, this is going to $3, $3.2, $4, and $5.66. That's what my prediction is. You can say, you see, that's how you have to trade. You have to have both the scenarios in place. If I buy now at 1.99, the near protocol, if the market goes down, if it's 150, 160, I'll do dollar cost averaging. If it's 125 or $1, still I'll do dollar cost averaging. My thinking is only long term. I am not short term. I just don't want to put money now. I don't want profits day after tomorrow. Whatever I have right now, if I have $1,000, $2,000, I'm gonna put it into the market. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for near to go back to five, six, $7 when the market moves. So I'm always looking for the big picture, thinking long term. When you have good protocols, good projects, good tokens, you should accumulate. It's an asset. So you have to accumulate, and after the play like that. Yes, if you buy now, if the market goes down, definitely you need to do a dollar cost averaging. So that's what I would suggest. If the market moves up, I see a clear $3 to $5 for near protocol. If the market goes down, it's gonna go below $1 for sure. It has the resistance, it will stay there. So that's what my analysis is, and hope you liked it. Guys, this is always whatever I'm saying is all my analysis, how I'm going to play the game, how I'm going to take the risk. I'm not doing any financial advice here, no financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm giving you all good protocols to play around, and position yourself for the next bull run, which might be in 2023 or 2023. And to set an example, I've been investing from 2018 onwards, and I waited very very patiently to get to a stage wherever I am today. So even I am at my portfolio is down from wherever I was, but I know this is going to go up, right? Once the market moves, once some big whales they start moving Bitcoin to the upper side, maybe CZ, who knows, maybe Binance. There are big whales, as you know. There are a lot of big Bitcoin whales sitting out there with so much of power. They can move $10,000 like this, right? So with that moves, automatically all these good protocols will move. So think on those lines. Think for long term scenario always, not short term. So guys, if you want to really make money in the next 6 months or 1 year, this is one of the best protocols. Have a look at it. This on the bull side is going to minimum $5, but it has to first crack dollar three mark, and after that straight away going to $5. And after that could be another stage where we can go and predict how things are, again depending upon the market trends, how the market behaves, what all news we have in the market. So have a close look at this protocol. I think this is one of the best projects. Thank you guys, hope this is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment. Just hit a subscribe. Thank you so much. Thanks. Bye. Cheers.